Hey everyone! So sa video ito ay tuturuan ko kayo about sa related rates. So nakikita nyo sa aking likuran ay may prepare akong problem upang pagpraktisan natin. So bago tayo mag-dapo sa solution, let's analyze the problem first. A statue of 4 meters high is standing on the base of 2 meters high. If the observer's eye is 1.2 meters above the ground, how far should the observer stand from the base in order that the angle subtended by the statue is maximum? So dito nakikita nyo rin is may prepare din akong figure para mas lalo nating maunawaan yung problem. So first na ating itackle is yung theta 1. So what is theta 1? Theta 1 is the angle formed of observer's eye perpendicular base and the feet of the statue. The theta 2 naman is the angle formed perpendicular to the base and top of the statue. And the theta is the angle formed from the feet of the statue to the top. From the feet to the statue, from the feet of the statue hanggang sa top yung theta. So now, let's solve from the angle from the figure. So lagay natin dito, from the figure. Lagay natin yung theta is equals to theta 2 minus theta 1. Lagyan natin dito ng cotangent. Theta 2 is equals to x over 4.8. Lagyan natin dito is theta 2 is equals to cotangent raised to negative 1 x over 4.8. Next, cotangent theta 1 is equals to x over 0.8. 2, theta 1 is equals to cotangent raised to negative 1 x over 0.2. Next, lastly, cotangent theta is equals to cotangent negative 1 x minus 4.8. So yung ito is binaba lang natin. Yung x over 4.8, binaba natin dito sa cotangent raised to negative 1 and x over 4.8. Lagyan natin ng minus. And copy this one. Cotangent raised to negative 1 is x over 0.8. So this is the solution of the angle from the figure. Let's solve for derivative of theta and respect to derivative of x. Lagay natin yung derivative of theta over the derivative of x equals to negative 1 over 1 plus x over 4.8. Lagyan natin siya ng square times 1 over 4.8. Sunod is, lagyan natin siya ng minus. Bracket, negative 1 over 1 plus x over 0.8 squared times 1 over 0.8 close bracket. Sunod tayo is derivative of theta over the derivative of x is equals to 1 over 4.8 over 1 plus x squared over 4.8 squared. So, lalagay natin dito is plus. Kasi minus dito sa taas, so magiging plus siya dito sa baba. 1, 0.8 over 1 plus x squared over 0.8 squared equals to 0. Dito naman tayo sa baba. Is nalagay natin yung 1 over 4.8 over 1 plus x squared over 4.8 squared. Ganyan siya. I-times natin siya sa 4.8 over 4.8. Ganyan na yung kanyang kinalabasan. Nagyan natin sila ng dalawa dito ng square. Equals 1 over 0.8 over 1 plus x 0 over 0.8 or 0.8 square. Ganyan. So may square dito sa x, may square din dito sa baba. I-types natin sila sa 0.8 squared over 0.8 squared. Ganyan na yung kanyang kinalabasan. Lalagay natin dito yung 4.8 over 4.8 squared plus x squared. Ganyan na siya. Equals to 0.8 squared plus x squared. Next step tayo. Dahil nakuha na natin ito, yung 0.8 over 0.8 squared plus x squared. Is magpapanibago na naman tayo. Dahil nakuha na natin yung sagot kanina, i-cross multiply natin itong dalawang ito. Yung 4.8 is multiply natin sa 0.8 squared plus x squared. And yung 0.8 is multiply naman natin sa 4.8 squared plus x squared. So, mangyayari dito is 4.8 open bracket. Ilagay natin ito yung 0.8. Copy the 0.8 squared plus x squared. Close bracket. Next is equals to, ito naman yung 0.8. Copy the 0.8 and also open bracket, copy the 4.8 and the rest. 4.8 squared plus x squared. Now, dahil nakuha na natin ito, ito yung gagawin natin. Multiply natin ito sa kanila and also dito rin. So, equals natin is 4.8 times 0.8 squared is 3.072 plus 4.8 times x squared is 4.8x squared. Lagyan naman natin dito yung equals. Same goes dito sa 0.8. 0.8 times 4.8 squared is 18.432. 0.8 times x squared is 0.8x. Kuha na natin yung dalawang ito. Let's combine like terms. So yung x squared at yung x squared ipagsama. And yung 3.072 at yung 18.432 ipagsasama rin natin. So ilalagay natin dito is copy the 4.8 x squared minus, copy this one, 0.8 x squared. Equals, let's copy naman yung 18 at saka yung 3. 18.432 minus 3.072. So, i-minus natin ito. Yung dito at saka dito. So, ilan na lang matitira? 4x squared. Same goes sa dito. Minus natin yung 18.432 minus 3.72. Ilan na lang matitira is 15.36. I-divide natin sa 4. Once na-divide natin sa 4, is lalagay na natin dito yung x squared equals to 3.84. X is equals to positive negative square root of 3.84. Square root natin yung 3.84. X equals to positive negative 1.96 liters. Kuha na natin yung answer. Nilagyan ko dito na take the positive value of x for distances x equals to 1.6 meters. So therefore, the observer should stand from the base of the statue with a maximum subtended angle is at a distance of x equals 1.96 meters. So yung kanyang sagot is ito na, yung 1.6 meters. So sana marami kayo natutunan sa tutorial na ito, and I hope na gabayan kayo ng Panginoon sa inyong pag-aaral. God bless.